Good afternoon. We are going to tow a truck and we're on the rollback today. When I say we, I mean me and Riley. Riley, say hi.
Hi.
Are we gonna go rescue someone? Mm-hmm. All right, should we open our fancy gate? Check it out. Wow, so fancy, huh? Not impressed. But we're gonna head up to Redmond, go grab a F350 4-door flatbed. It's kind of vacation. It's vacation, but we're working. Does that sound good? I don't think she likes that. Anyway, we're gonna go grab a 4-door flatbed truck from Redmond where it's broke down and tow it back to Prineville. So let's head that way. Okay, Riley, we're here. Do you see the truck? Where is it? It's right there. Yeah, it is. Yep, that's our truck. Let's turn around and back up to it, okay? Sound good? All right. All right, here is our truck. Riley's gonna wait in the truck because we're here at a parking lot next to the main road. Safer for her in there. She can get out at the drop off because that'll be out kind of off by itself. So keys are supposed to be in the side box somewhere, maybe the other one, hopefully. Come on, please be keys. Yes, keys. Perfect. All right, check it out. Not much for damage on this thing, just a ranch truck, but we'll take all our pictures and then put it up there. So I went to check on Riley. I think she's doing all right, so we'll go ahead and get loaded. Okay, now we winch it up to bed. I think it's straight enough. It'll go on there. Yeah, that'll work. There. Now let's throw a strap on here so it doesn't go anywhere, and then we'll put a chain on the back just to be on the safe side. Always strap down whatever side you're working on before you walk around the back side of it to go to the other side, because if that winch were to let loose, it'll run you over and that's not fun. Okay, we got this side strapped down. We're going to roll the bed up and then put some chain on the back. Up you go. I don't like that's parked under these tree branches, but it'll be all right. Let's lower it down. And then home, and then slack off the winch cable. Since the winch is hooked to the frame of the truck, and it's hooked to the frame of the truck, sorry, zoomed in way back here, so that I had room to suck it up really close to the front since it's a long truck. But always slack off the winch to the frame, because you got it tied by the tires. As the bounce goes going down the road, it's shock loading your winch and the attachment points on the frame, which you don't want to do. Check this out. Shock's a little loose. Okay, we're all loaded and tied down with what is known as an 8-point tie down system, which is where the strap comes up, goes through this dog bone, baskets the tire, and then goes down. It's actually really secure. It stops it from rolling forward or back, and it touches the bed in 8 points. But this is not 8 points of securement, and I will fight you all day over that. This is 4 points of securement. That is all. Yes, it hits the bed in 8 points, but if this one ratchet comes loose, this whole thing's gone. So this is only 4 securement points when it comes to legal DOT securement and all that. It's known as an 8-point system. It is only 4 points of securement on the truck itself. Beyond all that, well, technically this is legally all that's required for a truck of this weight. I have plenty of weight rating here for what this is. It's back in park with the parking brake set. It's not going anywhere. But I also threw these chains on the back, J-hook to the back axle. Totally unnecessary, but I have Riley in the cab with me, so I don't want the truck to come into the cab with me. So threw some J-hooks on there, and no, don't need the binders. I could have set it in the chain slots and just sucked it up tight. But like I said, I have Riley in the cab with me, so chain and binder the back end. This truck is not going anywhere, and if it does, the shrink to be that way, it would be that way, which I don't care nearly as much about as that way. So we're all loaded up. Let's head to Prineville. Okay. Be very, very quiet. Miss Riley is passed out, which is good because she didn't nap today and she needs it. So got about a 45-minute drive, so that'd be perfect. She can nap. All right, let's get rolling. All right, we are here, and Riley's still asleep. She's gonna be super sad if she misses out on the horses. I don't know if I should wake her up or not. Okay, I'm gonna drop it right here next to this Dodge, and we'll pull out here and drop it facing backwards. He said it's fine, and that makes it super easy on me, so that's what we'll do. Okay, now we bring it back. Set her down. One thing I didn't show, I snugged the winch up before I rolled it back just so it was tight again, and I got one more strap we got to go undo now that it's on the ground, and we roll it off. And down it goes. Oh, the hitch is going to screw us. We better turn that over before we do this. That means I got to put a chain back on the front before I go behind it. Okay, just turn the hitch upside down so it'll clear. Now we can pull our safety chain off, and oh, how about down? Yeah, now we can go down. Alright, now we pull the bridle off and wind it back in. Okay, now we pull the bridle back out from under the truck and make sure it doesn't hook on anything on the way, which I doubt it will, but it happens. Then, before it gets to the end, we take our hook, put our little J in there, go around the other side and do the same thing. Look at this. They just had brand new tires put on it. Didn't even make it home. That sucks. Okay, now just snug her up. And we'll tighten up our two straps, take our pictures, and we're done. Hey! Look who's awake. Did you have a good nap? Of course, Riley wakes up as soon as we're done. Didn't even get to help out. See the horses over there? What's that? Oh yeah, the horses are really happy. They got all this green grass to eat. We're getting fuel! And then we're gonna go get ice cream. Hey Raj, should we get some ice cream for a job well done?
Yeah.
Even though you slept through the whole job?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Head on inside and find some ice cream. Which one should we get? Are there push pops? No, but there's rainbow pops.
Look at these ones.
Oh wow, that's cotton candy.
I want cotton candy.
Okay. Go ahead and grab it.
Is this cotton candy?
Yeah, which one should I get?
You can get this one.
How about a Choco Taco?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's go pay for them. Can you take this one too? Okay, go pay for it. Go, go, go. Hey, we got our ice cream. You like it? Is that cotton candy good? All right, well, that is it for this job. Riley, can you say like, comment, and subscribe?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
See? Now you have to. You can't turn that down. All right, say see you next time.
See you next time.